Best investment options for 60-year-olds. As retirement nears, choosing the right investments is crucial for financial security. At 60, balancing income, risk, and tax efficiency ensures a stable future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are key investment options to consider. 1. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Traditional IRA, tax-deductible contributions, tax-deferred growth, but withdrawals are taxed. Required minimum distributions, RMDs start at 73. Roth IRA, contributions are after tax, but withdrawals are tax-free. No RMDs, offering flexibility. Strategy: moving funds between traditional and Roth IRAs can optimize tax benefits. 2. 401k and employer-sponsored plans. Traditional 401k lowers taxable income, withdrawals are taxed. Roth 401k contributions are taxed, but withdrawals are tax-free. Catch-up contributions: those over 50 can add an extra $7,500 annually. Strategy: rolling over a 401k into an IRA may offer more investment options and lower fees. 3. Mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds, professionally managed, diversified investments. ETFs, lower fees, traded like stocks, and often passively managed. Strategy: a mix of income-focused mutual funds and ETFs ensures steady growth and income. 4. Dividend stocks. Pros: regular passive income, inflation hedge, and potential appreciation. Cons: market fluctuations, company risks, and sector downturns. Strategy: diversify with blue-chip and dividend growth stocks. 5. Annuities. Types: immediate, deferred, fixed, and variable. Pros: guaranteed lifetime income and market protection. Cons: high fees, limited liquidity, and potentially lower returns. Strategy: use annuities alongside other investments for stability. A diversified portfolio, blending IRAs, 401k, mutual funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, and annuities, provides growth and security. Aligning investments with goals and risk tolerance ensures a financially comfortable retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.